Today we'll be reviewing an automation workflow for account reconciliation of loan purchases from investment banks into Encompass. In this process, various third-party investment bank systems are logged onto, and the loan purchase information is downloaded. The data is then put into an Excel template, reconciled with loan information from Encompass, and then batch uploaded back into Encompass to ensure loan purchase information is correctly documented. This is a very manual process that takes approximately 2 people full-time across 7 to 12 different banking websites and many loans. This is an excellent and common automation candidate as it is both repeatable and a rules-based process. In the first stage of this workflow, the Fannie Mac website is navigated to, and the appropriate dates are selected. Robots store information like credentials in an encrypted format to ensure security, and robots only do exactly what you tell them to, ensuring tasks are handled methodically every time the exact same way. This boosts security and compliance. In the next stage, the robot logs onto Encompass. By automating common data entry tasks, we can have robots waiting on Encompass instead of humans, making internal resources efficient and increasing engagement. Once the appropriate loans are selected, the data is exported and the results are saved. With both datasets from the investment banks and Encompass, a template is then leveraged to reconcile the 2 sets of numbers and help with upload. Automation can do common data validation, formatting, and cleanup tasks. In this process, it's required to ensure values are present and correctly formatted. Robots can run assurance in the blink of an eye. With data correctly reconciled and formatted, the last step is uploading back into Encompass. This was a quick demo to show off the advantages of automation against a single investment bank website. All or most of the investment websites can be automated to ensure that humans are directing and overseeing the process instead of doing the data reconciliation. This shifts resourcing out of manual processing and into higher order thinking. Front-end integrations were used for the majority of this workflow to show off the unique strengths of RPA, but RPA can integrate with both front-ends and back-ends to ensure both stability and value to market. Similar to this workflow, many common rules-based processes can be automated to ensure ultimate process efficiency.